Spatial. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install QGIS. So once you have opened your browser, just type QGIS, and after loading to the web page, you can see the option Welcome to QGIS project. Just click on it. So you'll be landing in the official QGIS web page. And from there, go to the option for users and select Download QGIS. So if you just scroll and come down, you can see uh, two software is being available. One is the latest one, 3.18, which is being available in both 32 and 64 bit, and you can see the most stable version also available, which is 3.16, and it is also being provided with 64 and 32 bit. So what is the difference between both this software is that the latest release will be having newest tools which is being added. So in a long term release, that is the most stable version, will be having a decent workflow. You can have a decent workflow. You'll be having a lesser bugs compared to the latest one. So these are the difference between both these softwares, that is versions 3.18 and 3.16. The advantage with QGIS is that you can install both the version and work it in the same system. So that is in Windows. Okay, so right now I'm going to download the 3.18 version. Later we will just download the 3.16 version. Okay, so this is a 64-bit laptop, so I'll be just downloading the 64-bit version of the software here. Just click on it. So you can see that the download has been started automatically, and based on your internet speed, the download will be completed within an hour or half an hour, or it can be earlier based on your internet speed. Okay, you will just simultaneously download the other version, that is 3.16, that is the most stable version. So I am also downloading this, both the version I'm just downloading simultaneously. So as you can see here, the QGIS version 3.18 has been completed. So once it has been completed, we'll first install it. So as you can see here, the download has been completed. Just click on it. So you'll be having a window appearing here in a short. So you can just see here, the window has been appeared. This is the setup wizard for the QGIS 3.18. So just click on the option next, and we need to just read the license agreement and just give agree for installation. You can choose the destination file using the option browse. You can just customize it based on your need, and just go to the option next. And yes, once it has been completed, you can just select the option install, and you can see here, so the installation has been started, and you can see here the QGIS version 3.16.4 is also been downloaded successfully. Okay, so now the latest version has been installed. So you can see here, based on our system's capacity, the installation will be faster if you are having SSD with the higher processor, that is the Intel i5 10th generation or 7th generation. The installation will be much more faster. So once we have completed with version 3.18, we can just install the previous version, that is 3.16. So it may be taking a while for installation of the 3.18 version. So the installation is going to be finished within few seconds, I think so. So as you can see here, the 3.18 version, the latest version, has been installed successfully. I'm just giving finish to complete it, and just opening the 3.18 version. So as you can see here, just click on it. So the software will be opening. You can see QGIS 3.18 Zurich version. So it almost took me around 6 to 7 minutes for installing this version of QGIS. So you can see here it has been successfully installed, and yeah, these are some messages from QGIS, that is news. So I'm just closing it. Now we are going to install the other version. So now you can see here we have also downloaded the 3.16.4 version of QGIS. That is going to be installed separately. So the procedure will be the same when installing a 3.16 or 3.18 version. So you can see here the wizard has been opened up, and we have to just move on and just give next, and we have to once again agree with the license and just click agree, and you can just browse and select the destination folder and just select next. If you need to change, you can just change it, otherwise you can just leave it as a default. Okay, so the next thing will be give next and press on install. So you can see here the installation has been started. Previously we have installed the version 3.18, which was the latest version in the QGIS. This is the 3.16 version, which is the stable version. So you'll be having very minimal bugs in this stable version. So you can work with ease. Compared to the 3.18 version, it might be having some bugs, but the difference between these two are the the latest version will be having some more added tools and workflows, and in the stable version you can have the work with ease. You don't have that much bugs in it, so that is the difference. So you can install both of the software and work. So I think it will be taking around 7 to 8 minutes the same time. So now you can see here the QGIS setup has been completed, that is version 3.16.4. So I'm just clicking on finish and going to the option search and just typing QGIS. So you can see here the version 3.16.4, and you can also find the QGIS version 3.18 here. So actually you can install both of this software and work with the latest tools, as well as you can also work with the stabler versions. If you need, you can just switch on to the stabler version. So just loading up. So it almost took me around the same time for that is for installing 3.18 and 3.16 is taking almost the same time. We haven't seen any increase in time installing 3.16 or 3.18. So both of them are having the same time. So you can see here software has been successfully installed. And if you want some more videos in QGIS, you can just put on in the comment section. And if you have any doubts in installation, you can just ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.